What are 5 things you should do to lose weight? You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Number 1, track your calories. You should be in a 10% caloric deficit and have a plan. It's possible to lose weight without tracking, I realize that, but it's easier if you track. I mean, a little snack here and something else there. Pretty soon you're 200 to 500 calories over your daily limit. Number 2, you should nutrient time so that it's usable energy. Before your workout, you want to carb up, and then immediately after your workout, when you're very insulin sensitive, you want to also get some fast-acting carbohydrates for recovery. I like to have a handful of gummy bears or like a banana or something. Get those sugars in. Sugar is actually good immediately post-workout, so you can eat yummy food. The biochemistry with the GLUT4 traveling to the membrane surface. I could go into that, but you don't need to know. Number 3, you want to experiment with your sets and reps of an exercise. Yes, that means you'll have to work out. It's the easiest way to put yourself in a caloric deficit while still living. Like the squats, and you'll experiment with maybe 2 sets of heavy squats or 4 sets. You don't know when works best for you until you try. I like to take 1 set to failure with open chain exercises like that. I tend to do failure is when you can't do reps with good form or more than what you've done. Closed chain exercises like push-ups, I like to do to absolute failure, like like that. Increase your NEAT is number 4. What's NEAT? Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. NEAT. It's cool. It's neat. That could be walking around or standing parked farther away from the place you're going to, so you have to walk that would be a good way to increase your need. You remember your body's always burning calories. That's your BMR, basal metabolic rate. And what you would do if you just laid in one position without moving, but it takes calories to keep you alive. Okay, here we go, number 5. The hardest for me, I'm sure for some of you it can be the easiest, but get your rest and hours of sleep and for maximum results. Turns out the doctors and my mother were right to tell her, live longer, feel better, and life to